The final product I'm going to show you before I have to leave, as Hollywood is going to be ringing for my video potential from now on. Probably going to be saying goodbye to McAlpine. I'm going to be making my way to Hollywood. This is an air admittance valve. It's 4-inch, comes with a hard wearing top. It's got a finned soft connection to push fit straight into 4-inch. Comes with a gauze that goes right round the product. This makes the product internal and external. So the gauze stops debris or flies or insects or whatever entering into the product and blocking up the valve. The valve does 40 litres per second airflow, which gives it an A1 rating. This means the product can be used below the flood level, which is important to tell plumbers because a lot of plumbers won't know that. It's a great unique selling point. So that in an upstairs ensuite, they can put the product below the flood level, boxed in the wall. Great for plumbers. That's a problem they have a lot. Also, the product, when used externally, can be used in conditions -20 to +40, so that, and there is no polystyrene cap as with other products on the market. This product doesn't need that cap when used externally. Great points for selling.